Nicholas Stadden from Monrovia Nursery. Today we're going to talk about how to care for your Rose of Sharon shrub. Selection, first of all, is the most important thing. When you're in the garden center and you want to buy your Rose of Sharon shrub, otherwise known as a hibiscus, look for a plant that is beautifully upright, great branching, fit and healthy. When you've got your plant in the ground, make sure that you don't plant above the soil level that was in the original container. And very importantly, they love rich organic mulch, so make sure you use lots of that when planting. So when it comes to fertilizer, I like to fertilize every 30-40 days. And for the most part, I use a slow release fertilizer. These are polymer coated, like I'm showing here. When you're selecting your fertilizer in the store, make sure the numbers are pretty even. Here's a 10-10-10. So that looks after the foliage, the flowers, and the root system as well. They love to have a regular watering until they're established and will become quite drought tolerant. Rose of Sharon come in a whole variety of colors. Whites, pink with a red center, double pink, they're just incredible. Many of the varieties are seedless, especially the ones from the National Arboretum, like Helene, Diana, wonderful large blooms as well. They can be used in the mid or the back of the border. They'll get to about 8 to 10 feet high, so we'll enjoy a regular pruning, but do that at the end of the season in the autumn. They'll also thrive in the middle of your lawn, and planted as a triangle of 3 will look spectacular. So you've had a few great tips on how to be really successful with your Rose of Sharon. This is Nicholas Stadden from Monrovia Nursery on how to care for your Rose of Sharon shrub.